Nintendo is plus 6.91% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 15th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Nintendo, a major global company. Nintendo is up 6.91% to 8,900 yen in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 8,585 yen and 8,945 yen. The long-term fundamentals for Nintendo revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nintendo's fiscal first quarter profit and revenue beat estimates, despite Switch 2 sales slump. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that oil prices rise as OPEC cuts 2026 demand growth forecast amid US-Iran talks deadlock, 15 outlets compared, News Cord. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, NASDAQ as inflation data calms rate hike jitters, Kitco. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, NASDAQ as inflation data calms rate hike jitters, Kitco. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Sony surged plus 5.73% to 3,912 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that is Sony stock a buy as profit growth outruns its valuation risks. Yahoo Finance. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 4,146 yen and 72 sen level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Tata Motors made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.32% to 334.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by JLR profit falls 69% as supplier fire, Middle East conflict hit quarterly sales, automotive news. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. BHP made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.31% to 61 Australian dollars and 35 cents. Investor sentiment is being shaped by China is taking on mining giants to reorder a $190 billion market, mining.com. Copper exposure is the long-term investment thesis. BHP's copper assets will benefit from the structural deficit expected this decade as the energy transition drives demand. Iron ore price and China steel output remain the dominant near-term earnings variables. Here is our analytical view on Nintendo from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nintendo's fiscal first quarter profit and revenue beat estimates, despite Switch 2 sales slump. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Nintendo sits around 9,434 yen. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Nintendo from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.